Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to learn lesson number 2.2. Nature created man and woman as equals. Yesterday we have seen means there is Ashangbi is a mother of three children. She was a journalist as well as she was an activist also. And Lanthoi, her younger means youngest daughter. She entered the room and she asked her mother. She wants something from her mother. Means she wanted time of her mother because she want the information of means God created men and women as equals, means related to this topic she want to discuss with her mother. And now see, Lanthoi had just had a discussion with her father on the topic. And before discuss with her mother, she discussed with her father about this topic. Tomba, her father, is a husband supportive of the activities of his wife and a loving father. Means name of the Lanthoi's father is Tomba. Okay. And mother's name is Ashangvi. Means in the northeast part of India like this way. Means name types of the name is like this way. And that's why here name of the father is Tomba. Okay. And he is a good father. Okay. He is a loving father and also is a supportive husband. Okay. He is a lawyer and a social worker. Means his profession of his father, means Lantho's father is a lawyer as well as he is a social worker also who advocates the cause of women. And he advocates means he is a lawyer of women, means he fight for the women. He fight for the women in the court. Okay. He is always proud of his wife and he always supportive to the women, and that's why he also proud of his wife, the two daughters and the son, and also he proud of his children, his daughter and son, two daughters and son. In times of need he extends his helping hand to his wife and children and to the society at large. If there is a need, then he always means extend his helping hand to his wife. Means he always help to his wife as well as his children. He does not discriminate between a man's work and a woman's work anywhere. And he does not discriminate. Discriminate means treat one person or group better or worse than another in an unfair way. Means he does not difference between the man's work and women's work anywhere. He shares equally with his wife in doing the household chores. Means he was a lawyer. Then also he is a supportive husband. Okay. And that's why he is always help to his mother for the household chores, means household work. Okay, chores means task or work like cleaning, washing, cooking, feeding the children. Okay, means he's help to his wife for the cleaning, washing, cooking, feeding the children, means give food to the children. And had the not share in these activities in the way he does, his wife would not have been a successful professional. If he not help to his wife, then his wife also she would not become a successful professional. Okay, because of her supportive husband, she have been a successful professional, and that's why he is really a supportive husband. Okay, he wholeheartedly believes in equality irrespective of class, religion, and gender. Means he wholeheartedly. Wholeheartedly means from mind. Okay. Believes means he believes inequality irrespective of class, religion, and gender. Means his opinion is that all religions are same, all means men and women they are equal. Okay, all classes are equal. Means no one is poor or no one is rich. He is not discriminate between the poor and rich. He did not discriminate between the religion, gender also. Okay. In his discussion with his daughter, he laments over the great injustice done on women in the society. And when he discussed with his daughter, means Lanthoi, that time he is telling to her, my dear child, the world is still full of inequalities. We have to find a way to bring equality between men and women. And he said to his child means to Lanthoi, means world is now also full of inequalities. Full of inequalities. In our society there is means in world also or in our India also there is inequality means no yeah, many houses there is a means husband and wife they are not equal or men and women they are not equal. We have to find a way and that's why we have to find a way to bring equality between men and women. Okay, like this way means his opinion is related to gender equality. It is very clear. Okay. Now tomorrow we will learn about the next part of the lesson. Thank you.